very little going on the client side, excuse me. And I just want to say like, hey, listen to this via whatever mechanism, probably a website connection. So when you go to Ably, let's see, Ably pub sub comparison. So, okay, so there's a Google Cloud pub sub. Could do Google Cloud. So the reason I'm kind of hung up on this is, one, Cloudflare will eventually have pub sub, and I'll eventually probably migrate things to that. But the thing I was thinking of, and this might be crazy, is I could maybe kill two birds with one stone and use this for like the messaging that I need to do. Get out of here, Slack. But also sorry, interrupted by Slack messages. I want to solve this problem of like the control panel kind of thing from one browser to another. Maybe I want to do a crazy thing where I like inject into Heat like an alternate route that goes through the pub sub service that I use. I don't know. I mean, I'm leaning towards just using Ably, and not because of any special reason other than it seems relatively lightweight to get set up. And also I just kind of like the idea that it's purpose built for this purpose. I think we should just try it. I think we should just give it a go. Let's sign up for free. Probably shouldn't like sign up for things on stream, right? Hello, my name is John Doe. Password pencil 69. I'm sorry, pencil 79. Sure. Oh shoot, I definitely put that in the wrong place. Oh, that sucked. Man, that really sucked. Why would that have gone there? Annoying. Okay, did that fix my problem? Okay, hopefully. Okay. Sorry, what's its face decided to put that somewhere that it shouldn't go. 1Password. Get my free account. Look at me. I mean, there's some world where I fully switch to this for Heat, but I don't know. Okay. Let's switch here. I'm probably going to accidentally show API keys and all that stuff all over the place. It's just a tradition now where I like stream and then have to go blur things out and change API keys or whatever. Relay. publish a message. Okay, there's a key that I'm probably not supposed to show, but that's fine. Just reset keys later, right? Let me just verify that. There's a regenerate key. Yeah, revoke key. Oh, I see. So you can make a key that's subscribe only. That's kind of nice. Okay. Anywho. Except curl is garbage. I mean, Windows implementation of curl in Windows terminal. I shouldn't blame curl itself. I'm sure curl itself is fine. Or maybe let's curl. So, but just feel like it never really works the way I want to on Windows. Okay, so cannot be found parameter X. What? Oh, is this some stupid thing where this is like the Windows version of curl and so nothing works? How do I do a WSL command line? It's slow. Pick up. I don't know how. Got some carrots in my face. These carrots get in here. Okay, so don't look at my API key. Cute. Okay. So I sent a message. So that was very easy. So are there any secrets here? I don't think so. Look at all this garbage that software puts on in my home directory. All this trash. I didn't ask for any of this. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Okay, anywho. Just for now, make a relay, folder. What? Hello? Can you show the folder I just named? Okay. What was it? Oopsie. I feel like I want to see something like secret in here, but I guess not. Okay, so Terrier, how's it going? I'm working on like another approach for a project that's going to kind of run parallel with Heat. I'm trying a web-based pub sub system to send messages around, just so I don't have to write it myself. And there's a few options. I've decided to try this service called Ably. Okay, so I just need like super simple JavaScript, like the simplest possible. You think there would just be like a hello world? Oh, that's my root API key. Oopsie. Oh well. I'll reset it all later. Probably says don't put this in your web browser. Should not share API keys. Should instead use tokens. Got it. Don't steal my identity. Paradarps don't steal my identity. Oh. Okay. It's kind of annoying. It'd be nice if they gave you a little more context for this. but whatever. What's the right way to do this? That's how the kids do this? Probably not. I don't know what the kids do these days. Maybe not defined. Oh yeah, I should probably include that. Seems wise. Okay. We did it! Okay, that's fine. Can we split the money at least for this job? Do you want to just finish it? Okay, so this seems easy enough. So we do all this stuff, then we subscribe to a channel. The real question in my mind is like, do we like auto reconnect? Like, does it do all the cool stuff that you want it to do, you know? So that seems fine. Let's make a new thing called I don't want to call it like admin or anything. It's a little obvious. What should we temporarily call this? Console. What is this problem with this computer? Okay, so now we need to we have the real deal, we have the console. So in the console, we don't want to subscribe. We want to send data. So publish a message. A copy paste coder. Hey, you got to start somewhere. When you're learning guitar, how do you learn guitar? You play somebody else's song, you know? Okay, so we want to go console. Receive greeting message in real time. Receive greeting message in real time. That's a weird thing to... What? Is that really what it said? Okay, that's my sub. Okay, so what should happen... Can we... Hello? Where'd the other one go? I lost it. Okay. Whenever we refresh the console, it should write here. So that's good. So we are very, very definitely able to send data across. The API key is, you know. Do I want to build any kind of like build or bundler step for this? I really don't. Kind of don't. Kind of don't. Kind of don't. Could have a little module we import, maybe. I don't know. I think the thing to do is to keep it dead simple. So at least have a button, right? I'm not gonna do like view or anything. +10. Go. Go. Element by ID, go. How do you do this? Go button.add event listener. Nope. That question mark. It was almost like is this how we like to do this now? Like that's... Can I do that in JavaScript? Wait, I'm in the wrong. I'm supposed to be doing this in the console. I messed up. Messed up big time. Get out of here, everybody. Okay. Just somehow feel like this isn't gonna work. Okay, so let's make the go button actually go. Oh no, I messed up. I still need this. Oopsie. What now? Okay, so I can send messages across. That's very handy. Very handy indeed. So what is like... I just never remember this stupid thing. Good enough. Where's Life is Yours? He's a professional HTML whatever. Oops. It's a young professional. Okay. Do people still put scripts in their body tag? I don't know what people do anymore. Cute. Look at that cute little button. Cute as a button. I don't know. So is that how you do that? That doesn't seem right. Terrier's my very favorite breed. Cute and cuddly, easy dogs to feed. So let's just say we have like stop. Pause. Clear. Really, it would be... I'm already getting too fancy. Shouldn't be this fancy. Oops. So, we want to do like... Maybe like a... Yeah, get element by tag name and then loop through them. seem true? Okay. Why are they all data command? Why are they all sending clear? Clear, clear, clear. Great. Very good. JavaScript, cool language. Okay, we can send these commands. That's very good news. That was relatively easy also. So, So the authentication is dumb and annoying because the authentication is always dumb and annoying, but this isn't bad. And like the tricky fancy pants thing is that I should be able to still send this. So if I did this and I sent a greeting with data. Channels. So wait, what was my channel? I was getting started. My channel, oh, is quick start. So if I sent to a quick start channel, did that do a thing? No, because I can't type. So we could do an HTTP post here. So what am I doing wrong? Oh, is it because the data is JSON or something? Or the user box age T. What? Is that supposed to be quick start? Okay, I think I'm kind of sort of getting there. But wait, name quick start. Name. This is from the terminal. Data. I'm definitely missing something. Okay, so with this weird box age T, if this was quick start, would that work? This is still all happy, right? Name greeting data hello. Subscribe to quick start. Presumably that's me. Oh no, that's not. I see. Well, okay, weirdly, it doesn't. Okay. That's not the user. Oops. I'm falling apart here. Okay. We did that. But I want with this name equals greeting, data equals hello. So what's wrong with this? User is the same. Data there has a name is greeting, and then data equals hello. So is that the issue? That it needs to be like name, greeting, data, hello? Just not getting something here. Like it should just have a much more basic example, please. Channels, who won oil? What does that mean? The channel I'm trying to connect to is quick start. So it should be, the channel should be quick start. Oh. So this should be publish. Presumably. No. Okay. What obvious thing am I missing? If I do this, it works. Yes. If I do this, it doesn't. So that's a post. What if it's not a post? I'm very confused here. So like with this curl, it wanted this data name. It's getting started. So is that the idea? Okay, I mean, maybe I'm just like totally not getting this. Is that how you do it? No. Oops. I think this terminal is breaking. Quick start, messages, dash u, etc., etc. Like, I just want... Don't go there. want the REST API. I want to post. That's the event name. I see. So name is the event name. So this should be greeting. Let's have this right. Post. REST. Oh. I'm good typing. Good at typing. rest.ably.io/channels/quickstart/messages. That's the user. Okay, let's add a header. Okay, got it. And now, okay. Wait, why didn't that work? Because I cannot type, apparently. What is, I feel like there's something really wrong with this terminal. Data example. Okay, that's working. Okay, so I can now do this. Let's just do it in Postman. What's the U, -U when you do curl? User. Really? Not a, that's pretty weird. The user instead of, how do you even do that? So, what? So if we posted here, great. No. So we want to post here. Want this data. We want authorization. This is just basic auth with a username as from the, pretty weird. Valid key and request. 2G and end with an M. XAuth key. I don't know what that key is. So what I just am not clear of. It sucks that when you go into Postman and you go to, there's just some key there. I have no idea what that key is. Could be anything. Who knows? Anyway. How are you supposed to do this? -U. That's not just user? Excuse me. I mean, I don't know. Is that basic auth? No, I don't know. Looks like basic auth. Valid key in request. Like, what kind of auth is this? What kind of auth is Perl-U? Like, is this not the way to do this? You're sending application JSON. And is that not right? Is this all happy? That all seems happy. Oops. That seems happy. So it's an HTTP post. Just like make sure all parameters are happy. Channels / quick start / messages to -u, whatever that means. Oh, it's user :password. Right? That's a weird one. Okay. I think I understand. Why would they do that? That's weird. It's pretty confusing. I guess that's just how they treat it. Like it has, huh. Interesting. Why are they using basic auth? But we didn't do that anymore. Okay, so I can send messages. I feel pretty good about this. I just want to know, like, does it reconnect, you know? Dead channels after reconnection. Uh-oh. So, I mean, this is the real-time SDK, right? Real-time client. Yeah, so why? Let me see. So is that what we've done here? I just want like a tiny bit of assurance that, yeah. Establishes and maintains. So here's the crazy thing I'm considering. Do I want to do this? I don't know. What I'm considering is, does heat work, by the way? Yes, we got some kisses. What I'm considering is building this in such a way, like basically inserting a relay into heat that will send the heat data via this platform. Like for this particular thing, since I'm like extra concerned about it working and not having any issues and whatever, knowing there's an issue with dog, knowing that fixing dog would be annoying and rewriting dog would be annoying. This is a way I could just, on the Cloudflare side, receive and validate the messages and then send them here. What do we think about that? Name is the name of the channel. So I would want like to be able to subscribe to a command channel and a heat channel. So that would be what was coming from. And then over here, this would be like a heat message, and this would just straight up be the heat packet. It would be click. It would be like type, click, X. That gives us a heat message. I think I'm going to do that. Is that crazy? Really wish the Cloudflare stuff was up and running. I think I'm going to do this for now. So what that would mean is that in heat proper, I would have to build a little bridge that under certain cases, like a matching channel name or whatever, would send this data across. Life is yours. It works. Hello there. How's it going? I think so. Here's what I'm just talking through. So I'm trying Ably, kind of like it. I don't really want to get tied into Azure, Google Cloud, or AWS. This is, wait, my desktop audio is gone? You couldn't hear the alert? Can you hear the music? Maybe the music is really quiet. Right now the music is very quiet. It's just chirping birds. So we're kind of between songs at the moment. Here, let me skip ahead. Now can you hear the music? I don't know if people really like music. I need it so I feel like I'm not just speaking it into the void, but I keep it very low. Check my audio spikes. Uh-oh, is this mic too hot? It looks okay on the meter. But some people like to listen to their own music. Like Grimbone likes to listen to the sounds of skeletons being ground up and put into a furnace while their souls scream. You know, as an example. Okay, let me turn it up a little bit. Can you hear it now? The chill music. Grimbone's a special person. He loves hate and pain and torture and kitties. So, okay, here's the idea. I needed a way to have like cross-browser communication that I just don't have to worry about. Like it's mission critical and I don't have a ton of time. And I just don't want to deal with building my own backend, especially now that Heroku's not an option. I just want to like have a message go from point A to point B. Ably seems to do that very well. It took no time at all, really, less than an hour to get like this example up and running. Feels good. Here's the crazy idea, is that I think I want to do the same thing with Heat. I think I want to route my Heat messages here because I just, at the moment, do not fully trust. At the moment, I don't fully trust Heat. I don't fully trust Heat for the maintaining of the website connection because there's a stupid issue with dog. That's what I should say. I don't trust dog because I just know there's like the possibility that the broadcaster can end up isolated from clicks, and that is seems rare in practice, but I just don't want to have to worry about it. And so given the options we talked about yesterday, which were try to find a way to band-aid it, or try to fix dog, or rewrite Heat to not use dog, all of those given me grief. So option 4 is just use a different transport. And I'm kind of into that. Kind of into it. Okay, what's the pricing like? I think you get like millions of clicks from Ably. Pricing? Can you tell me? There's a man. Hello, friend. That's 6 million monthly messages. $200 peak connections is a little bit of a concern. But it's $15 per thousands of peak connections, so. Okay, so I have to log out to log in. Cool. How do I see my... Okay, here. 651 messages already? Good heavens. I only get 6 million. It would be so bad if I, like... before the event... ran out of messages. Okay, I think we're gonna do this. And so what that means is we have to inject a little relay into heat that, yeah, so this is what it'll look like. I think I know where to do it. It's gonna be weird. I guess one question is, do I still want to send it to the normal place? But we'll deal with that when we get to it. Okay, heat. This one. So the idea would be that in the replica, when we're handling our messages here, handle request. So here's where we do all the stupid stuff, like deal with the JWT token. Here's where we actually handle the request. Here's where we put all the data together. Here's where we check if we're cooling down, all that stuff. So basically, this is the point where we relay to clients on this replica, relay to clients on the other replica. If true, we want to do this. And so this is where it's a little weird. This is not unlike what we did very early on when we were relaying to the legacy server. That's not how you do this. Do I need to make like... How do you do this? I got rid of this. I don't remember how. Oh. You start with the URL. I see. This, okay. So we need a method post. Weirdly, I can't believe they do user auth. That's so weird. There's got to be, oh, I don't know. I don't like it. Like that is the way to do it. Sorry, like basic auth, I mean. So in the REST SDK, is that really? No, the REST API. Oh, a message may be published over REST on behalf of an existing real-time connection when a valid connection. Really nothing in here. Just feels like there should be a way to pass that as a bearer token or something. Still doesn't. Still weird. I would say this is still weird. Like how. So you can do authorization basic, I see. So it doesn't have to be as you. Okay. Well, I guess same idea. So this would be nope. Is that really me? You have to base 64 encode the key. Okay, don't look at this. Show. I know. Okay, we'll reset it. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. Scary. Okay. Post, and then I don't know how to do the body. Request body, if any. So we do need the type equals JSON, right? Content type application JSON, probably. Oops. I know, we won't put this here. I'll put an environment file. Let me code it. Okay, so great. It's gonna work. No. Excuse me? Possibly I broke everything while trying to update Wrangler this morning. Which would be super cool. So what's wrong? JS 869. Wait. What? Did I like lose somehow that this is a module? I feel like that was a thing that used to be in here. Come on. Format some modules. Is this something dumb like that needs to be called MJS or something? Sources worker MJS is output. Well, rats. No, not you. I almost certainly broke this morning trying to update latest Wrangler. This is the old syntax. So, how can I test this? Guess if it's here. Oops. I don't know if it's actually working. Where did I just put that? Excuse me? Now I'm massively confusing myself. Didn't what? Excuse me? Didn't I just do work? What? Okay. Not you. That is a different project. Am I losing my mind? Okay. Forgot that we had separate routes. Okay, so... Wait, what's actually changed here? Okay. So... what we would need to do is... Oops. So we got a 201. Doing is right. Like a 201 response is like something was created. Okay, so that actually seems to kind of sort of work. So thing is though, shouldn't I have seen that come through here? Right? So oh, the body. You said it as body or you said it as JSON? I don't actually remember. Like if you're doing a post. Body. It's weird that they say name there instead of like channel or something. I don't really like that. Okay, something like this. Possibly, maybe. Okay. So this is heat data being relayed here. So how much confidence do I have in this ridiculous idea? And do I just, for the moment, send all heat data there? Certainly the easy option. So get the message. So okay, a couple things. So when we send that data from heat, this needs to be the channel ID, which I presumably have here. Looks like I do. How's it going? Spixelig? Struggling with your name. I apologize. Spixel. Like a pixel. With a S. How's it going? So, I'm breaking everything. So we're going to try to send this. No, this is not what we want to do. We want to do the following. We want to have a heat. I don't know, man. I think this is because that's what you're going to subscribe to. Doing Okay, so so heat is the thing that I've made that lets you like click on the stream and do ridiculous things, like gives me kisses. And sometimes other people want to use heat. Uh-oh, did I break heat? It's possible I broke heat. Am I in the middle of breaking things? Let's see. Is it working? Fresh cache, current page. Are my kisses not happening? Oh, there they are. Okay, we got kisses. Great. You have a lot of heat? Oh, awesome. So Twitch is going to use heat for something next week, and I just have to do some work to like make a few things more reliable. And so I've gone back and forth on how to do that because there's not really that much time to like completely re-architect parts of heat that I would like to improve. So I'm trying to build in kind of a relay system where the heat data gets rebroadcast to this service called Ably, which is like a pub sub service. Just so for that particular connection, for that particular event, I know it's going to be really robust. Wait, heat's broken? Oh no. I mean, I was definitely working on it yesterday, and it's possible I messed something up. There's a bug I know about, though. That's not my bug. I know it's been broken for a month. That's weird. Sometimes I have had the thing where I have to go into the OBS browser source and do the refresh browser cache button. Like, go to here and manually do this refresh browser cache. And I also always have refresh browser when scene becomes active, just to, like, basically turn it off and then on again. And that seems to help for me. Looks like I've got kisses. So, okay. Gotta focus. So, what do we need to do? So that's a little annoying, actually, because I guess that is really what I want to do. Is I want to have a I think I want the I think I want this to be the channel. And I think I want this to just be heat. Why did I just get an error? What? What's wrong with you? Because of this. Don't do that. Okay, and then data. So is message really just request data? Object assign. We try to add the ID to this. So this should just be message, I think. So now if we try to stop that. Try to come here and do this. So, okay. So we got to do a couple things. The channel we want now is going to be my Twitch channel. Okay, is this all still happy? You happy? No, everything's broken. Okay, everything works. So let's go here. Let's click here. So we got the click data and it relayed directly through. And it was reasonably snappy. Definitely not as snappy as just going straight through. Too many messages from user. Definitely introduces a little delay. But I think it's going to be more robust. Just sucks. I mean, I like Cloudflare. I like a lot of what they're doing, but some of it's just half-baked, and it's a bummer. Like, the pub sub stuff really could be way better. Could be way, way, way better. I think it's like what I have is probably like 90% okay, but when it breaks, it sucks. It's a bummer. And I just can't really risk that for this. Blah. Okay, so here's the crazy test. Let's push this to dev now. Not that. This. So let's push. So this is pretty much all right, except of course, can't commit that. But I'm gonna push it. Don't worry, as soon as I'm off the screen, I will reset the key. Uh-oh. What? This sucks. Route to, I feel like this is all stuff that I was like all in here before and working, and then I ran Wrangler and it's like, oh, you don't have to do this anymore. Don't worry, we automatically detect everything and it works perfectly. And now it's like, no, actually that doesn't work. Like the format inference didn't work. And it seems like maybe my zone ID counts in zone ID also kind of sort of seems like it doesn't work. So thanks. Let's see. You don't have to have that. We can figure it all out for you. That sucks. Bummer. That's really irritating. Okay, well, let's try to like revert back to what was working yesterday. Really irritating. It's a real bummer. Perhaps my object identifier is invalid. I feel like I pushed this morning and it worked. To dev. So like what has changed since then? I don't know how to fix this. It's too bad. Too bad, too bad, too bad. Can I remove account ID and zone ID? That's definitely on my account. The API dev, last modified a few seconds ago. This sucks. Right account ID. It's the right zone ID. By script is pretty weird. He API dev. So 5 days ago assigned. Awesome. Great. Bummer, 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 bummer. What do I do? I guess one question is like, is it actually working? Like, did it really? URL string. Really? What? Click's okay. Did I get it? Yes. A broken dev. I would have an invalid URL string. What did I say? Oh, is this just like broken? Invalid URL string. What? Oh, is that the post? Is that this? Giving an invalid URL string? If that was an error, though, you get a message. You'd get a 500 error if that was the issue, right? Because this is inside of a try. Okay, let's just... I feel like I'm just gonna have to delete this and re-add it, which is really annoying. Not read from request stream after response has been sent. What? Well, this is all very irritating. What have we actually changed here? No, that's not right. Just don't understand. Is it gonna break? I was having issues with this migrations tag this morning for sure. Oops. I don't know what to do. Do we just have to delete it and re-add it? Really obnoxious. That's really irritating because I'm almost certain I had all this pushed this morning. That's definitely my account ID. $89 and T0. What about this? That weirdly works. Hello? Yeah. Well, that sucks. Do I have to delete that or re-add it? I don't want to do that. Okay.